Hello everyone, welcome back to Trevor's Tech Tips. So we keep it short and sweet. Today we're going to do with hyperlinks, bookmarks, equations, signatures. All of these are insertions, so we're going to click on our insert tab, click there, right, and then hyperlinks work with something that's already on your page. So let's say for instance picture, and I'm going to highlight my picture. Click on a hyperlink, and I'm gonna click on this picture, click OK, and then what that does is when I click on this picture, it's gonna well, if you notice, it's telling you what you need to press on to trigger this action. So I'm gonna hold on. Let's see if yes, there we are. So I'm gonna hold down on my control key. So as I press on my keyboard, it opens this, and I'm going to click on picture, and that's going to trigger the action. Then picture is going to open, right? And there we go. Picture's open. So there we go. So I'm going to close that. So that's a picture. I'm going to minimize this, and then we're going to insert a bookmark. So bookmark. I'm going to highlight this, click on bookmark. Now, bookmarks deal with different points in your document, right? So I could type something here. Let's call it bookmark. Bookmark. Add, right? You click on bookmarks, you have that one there. Could go down to introduction. I'm gonna let me bring up my thing there, and I'm gonna click on my control and see. Whoops, wrong way. Whoops. I'm gonna say Control C. It's not even showing it, but I just pressed on the C button there, and then I'm gonna say bookmark, and I'm gonna say paste introduction there and click add. When you click on bookmarks, I could say go to, brings me up there, right? This was there. Go to bookmarks and say go to, brings me down here. Now let's say I was all the way down here. Let's see. I'll call this last page. Right? And I'm gonna just give it a bit of formatting for clarity. Make it a little bit clearer. You know what I mean? Whoops. Let's change everything. Right, I'm just gonna copy, then I'm gonna go we have bookmarks. Let me highlight this again. Right, click on bookmark, put the word in there. This is something you have to bear in mind. I'm gonna paste this here. Now, two words can't work as a bookmark. I'm going to have to remove the space there, ensure this is highlighted, and click add location. If I did it like that, and I said this one, it would be grayed out. I wouldn't be able to get that. So I'm going to close that, and I'm going to scroll up. I'm going to click bookmarks, last one, and there we go. It goes to this last page, right? So remember, when you're doing bookmarks, it has to be one word. You could use name or you could use location. Either one will work. And of course, you could delete them. So you could delete that one, right? If you did undo, you went back to bookmarks, it brings it back there. Right, so that's bookmark. Equations, you could use the equation thing here, right? The various types of equations. these are preset, right? You click there, and you could change various layouts, right? Linear, professional, which it was on before, and you could change the alignment. This is for when you're doing certain types of documents, perhaps a math project, so on. Change the inline. Right, go back to insert, and you could say symbols, right? And you could say put the omega sign there. Of course, you could say let's see, character map, and it has the symbols there as well, right? Or let's see, symbols. I know you're gonna have to go to the character map, but the symbols are there. Use various symbols, you know, make it a bit easier for yourself when you're doing certain types of projects and so on, right? So that's that, and then we're gonna go back to we're still on our insert tab. So say you want home, you go insert, you go signature, and then you click office signature, and then you could say M. Jackson for Mr. Michael Jackson. Oh, my mistake. Made a little mistake there. So it's Michael Jackson. Mr. And let's say, hold on, it will be M. Right, so Michael Jackson works for me, right? And then we could say there, and we could say allow signature to add comments and so on. All depends on what you want. We could put a dot there, click on OK, and then that allows you to put signatures. See, I could say at the end of my document, signature, oops, add signature service, and this is built in, but you could go on the internet, add the signature service from Microsoft, and it allows you to put the signature in, right? So we've covered hyperlinks, bookmarks, signatures, equations and symbols, and we're going to add one more, which is online videos. You could click here, and then you could refer back to a YouTube video. You could put the address here, or you could put the address for somewhere else like a website or so on and put it there. Let's see. So what I could do is go on YouTube, and this is the video for table of contents and so on. I could click here, copy, and then we go here, paste a direct link to it, and then we could say search, and then click on it and insert the video. Right, and then we could resize it as we see fit, and you edit it just like a picture, put a border around or whatever you wish. Right, you could change that and put colors and so on. All depends on what you're trying to do. Right, so we're going to go back to our insert tab. Right, and then we're going to click here. And depending if you're doing like a novel or something, you could say drop cap, and it puts the big capital letter there. And of course you could click here and cycle through. So it's all dependent on the project that you're working on. Right, so there we go, guys. Hope it was informative. Please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.